If you want to install a VPN app on Samsung Galaxy A27, what you can do is you can open the Play Store. Now over here in Play Store, we can use the search option at the bottom of the screen, and then we can tap on the search field at the top, and you can simply type VPN in order to try to find any VPN app that you are willing to try to use. And if you have a specific VPN app in mind that you wish to use on your Samsung Galaxy A27, then of course you can search for that specific app instead of just typing VPN. And over here, as you can see, we have a pretty long list of different VPN apps, and feel free to try any of them. Of course, you probably don't want to use all of them at once, but you probably want to try one and then another one and then another one to see which one you like the most, which one suits you the best. In my case, I'm gonna install this one, and I'm gonna show you quickly how to set it up. Usually it is very straightforward. In some cases, you don't have to even create an account to be able to use the VPN. But of course, these VPN apps offer different things. I mean, in some cases, free users have more features than in other apps. And of course, most of the time, these VPN apps have a premium offer, which always has the most offers and the most features. So once we have the app installed, we want to open it. Then over here, we should be able to continue as a guest. So this app thankfully allows us to use the app without any account. You might also see a premium offer, which usually you can also close or ignore. So here I'm just gonna tap on a not now to continue. And then you should be able to connect to a random server over here. Now in this case, it is a random server, so we cannot actually choose a specific country that we want to connect to. But of course, you can keep changing servers until you find the one that you actually want to use, although maybe not all countries are actually available for free users. So of course, another drawback of using an app for free. But still, you should be able to connect to a VPN server, and you should be able to just use the VPN app without any issues whatsoever. In many cases, you can also go to settings in order to try to find some additional options that you might want to, for example, change to adjust the app and make it work exactly as you want it to work. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.